Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video we're going to show you a simple trick how you can automatically set the width as well as the height of your rows and columns in your documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So it is actually super simple. Let's say you have a spreadsheet like that here with a table like this, and all you need to do, guys, is simply left click on that square here in the top left corner between A and 1. So highlight it by left clicking on it, and after that simply pick the column you would like to set or change the width for. So let us set the width for column C, let's say. So all you need to do is simply hover your mouse over the right edge of the given column. When you see this icon here with these two arrows pointing to the left and to the right, simply double click on it, and that is going to automatically set the width of the given column, which in this case here is column C. And you may apply the same trick for any row or column here in your document. And that's basically it, guys. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.